What's up guys, CMod here, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be unboxing a brand new product. So I just recently purchased this brand new Razer Blade 17 Pro. Now I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty excited to be unboxing this. So first off, just look at this box. It is huge. It's a pretty big box, especially for the laptop I got here. So let's actually open this. So now we can get to the good part here. Alright, so you can see here it is. Oh, okay. Here we go. So, oops. Okay, so we got the parts for the power cord, as you can see right here. So we got the power brick. Actually, let's open this up. So yeah, here's the charger right here. As you can see, we got the charging brick, the adapter, and here's the other part of it. We'll put these to the side right now and get to the next part here. The main thing we are here to see today. Put it down there. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is what it looks like in its current phase. Let's place it down. Careful, careful. They did pretty good with the packaging and stuff. You can tell they put a lot of effort into making it as secure as possible. Now, this is what the fully done cardboard box looks like. Alright, so let's actually open this thing and see what we got going on here. Whoa, okay. It says go green with Razer, so it just tells you a little bit about the Razer and everything. So as you can see, there is the laptop right here. This is what it says on here. So now it's time to take this out of the box. Okay, careful. Don't want to damage this or anything. Alright, holy. This is it. This is what we got. A little bit safer. God, they got these little sticky glue dots over here. Alright, oh, okay, it's that easy. And it just undoes itself. This is all a shock to me. I'm still trying to just handle the fact that we finally got it. Okay, so we got this little fabric kind of thing here. But this is what it looks like on the screen and everything. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So, yeah. Here's the laptop, as you can see. Looks really nice. Going over here, you can see some more stuff on here. 11th gen processor, i7, with 8 cores, up to 4.6 gigahertz, RTX 3070. So yeah, it's for the actual RAM, it's 16 gigs of RAM. What's even better too is, dude, I like the speakers on this thing. We got one here and one over here. And this is THX, which means we got spatial audio. To make it even better, this is where the power button is, right over here. Yeah, this whole computer is just very fancy. I'm really excited. Okay, fellas, so I actually left some out really quick that I was going to show you in this box here. Okay, as you can see, there's some right here. Let's open this and see what we got. All right. Okay. All right, so here it is. Let's pull it out. Oh, okay. Okay, so we got ourselves, we got some stickers here. Alright, looks pretty cool. I like these. Maybe I'll use them, maybe I won't. I don't know. We actually got ourselves a cleaning cloth. That's actually very useful. Looks like some sort of instruction manual to help us set this up. This is just something that tells you about protecting Razer gear, and thanks for choosing them. Obviously they got a thing on the back too. And then we finally got this one where it says, thank you for choosing a Razer system, and just gives you more information. I see on the back and everything. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is in the box. Okay, M1, so that's going to be it for this Razer Blade 17 Pro unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe notifications on. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you own a Razer Blade? If so, what model do you have? What year did you buy it in? Is it the same as mine or something different? Also, let me know below, if you don't have a Razer Blade, what current computer do you use? Is it a desktop, a laptop? If so, what brand? Was it custom built? Just let me know in the comment section below, any of those sort of things. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!